Vyapam whistleblower Ashish Chaturvedi on Tuesday said he has decided to return the security provided by the district administration and has given an application for this to Superintendent of Police Harinarayan Chari Mishra. The policemen assigned for his security were not ready to accompany him on a bicycle and he did not have enough money to pay for their auto rickshaw fare, said Chaturvedi, the Gwalior resident who exposed the Vyapam scam and pedals around the city on his bicycle. It was after many attacks on him in the wake of revelations in the Vyapam scam that the administration provided him with security. Talking to the media on Tuesday, Chaturvedi claimed that 70 security men have been changed in his security detail in the last 1 year. He said he was in Delhi till Monday and while his lone security personnel remained confined to a room, he went around the national capital all by himself. Chaturvedi said he feared he could be murdered and the incident would be passed off as an accident. He, however, said he did not know who might be hatching such a plan. Superintendent of Police Harinarayan Chari Mishra confirmed receiving the application and said Chaturvedi's grievances would be redressed and his security ensured. The scam in the Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board or Vyapam, short for Vyavasayak Pariksha Mandal, pertains to admission to professional colleges as well as recruitments to various posts in the state. More than 40 people related to the scam have so far died, either under mysterious circumstances or have committed suicide.